Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book theatre patients. The theatre manager will assist the practice in managing their theatre bookings. The bookings can be made in the diary. The user will be able to print or download the theatre list from these bookings. The practitioner can either keep the theatre bookings on a separate diary or book out the times for theatre in their current daily diary. The user will be able to set up the theatre manager and the theatre bookings in the settings and then create the theatre list for it to display in the diary. This video will start on the diary screen. We will first go over making theatre bookings, first for the surgeon, then afterwards for the anesthesiologist, due to the billing nature for each of these roles in the theatre. To choose whether the practitioner will be a surgeon or anesthesiologist, click on the settings icon, located on the navigation bar. Proceed and click on the Diary Settings tab. Click on the Theatre Setup panel. Click on the type of practitioner that will be using Theatre List drop-down menu. Click on the type of practitioner that will be using Theatre List drop-down menu to make the selection between the surgeon and the anesthesiologist. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen without saving the changes that have been made. Or click on the Save button to save the changes that have been made and return to the diary screen. After the theatre list was created, the times chosen for the theatre will display in turquoise on the left hand side of the diary bookings. Please note that the theatre booking colors can be customized in the Settings, Diary Settings tab, Theatre Setup panel under Color of time slots to indicate theatre list on diary. To book theatre patients, double click on the desired time slot. The operation screen will open. Click on the Operations Info panel. Proceed and click on the Theatre Details panel. The Theatre Details will display the diary of the practitioner going to the theatre, the operation start and end time, and the hospital or facility where the theatre will take place. The theatre booking will be on the theatre list time slot under the operation start time. Click on the Operation Team panel. Complete the Operation Team segment. Please make sure that the information on the Operation Team segment is correct and complete. The user can add or remove surgeons, anesthesiologists, assistants, and internists under the Team Operation segment by clicking on the accompanying plus or minus button. Click on the Operations Details panel. Complete the ICD-10 procedure and CPT-4 codes that the practitioner will be charging in the theatre and to indicate which procedure will be done. The authorization, anesthetic, type, and co-payment can also be completed here if applicable. If there are any special requests or requirements from the practitioner, it can be noted in the applicable note block. Complete the patient details, which is the personal details of the patient whom is going to the theatre, by clicking on the Patient Details panel. The user can search for debtor by typing the details of the debtor in the search by name, surname or ID search field and selecting the desired debtor in the list of results. Or the user can create a new debtor by clicking on the Add Debtor button. For more information on creating a new debtor, please refer to the Create New Debtor user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Complete button to complete this portion of making the theatre booking. Click on the Progress panel. Progress indicates the status of the operation-related administration and assessment that the patient, hospital, reception or the practitioner or allied completes pre or post-operation. The user can tick the box when the item was completed or received by the patient, hospital, reception or the practitioner. Status will show whether the task or item has been completed by the patient. Actions will show various actions or buttons relating to uploading documents, sending SMSs, and so forth. Click on the Complete button to complete this portion of making the theatre booking. Up until here, the surgeon and anesthesiologist bookings will be the same, except for the following portion, which is the Billing panel. Click on the Billing panel. Click on the Modifiers applicable to all codes panel. Complete the applicable fields. Click on the Secondary Procedures panel. Complete the applicable fields. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen without saving the changes that have been made. Or click on the Save button to save the changes that have been made and return to the diary screen. In order for the anesthesiologist to bill their time for the operation they are assisting with, please follow all the previous steps up until the billing panel, where we will continue on from this video. Click on the billing panel. Proceed and click on the checklist panel. Complete the applicable fields. Please note that the anesthesiologist will have to double check the book time due to hourly billable rates. The secondary procedures panel is for when unplanned or emergency procedures has been performed in the theatre. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen without saving the changes that have been made. Or click on the Save button to save the changes that have been made and return to the diary screen.